Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA and Elite Total Body Care. So this morning I filmed a video for you guys basically detailing my dark spot removing regimen. This regimen is for people like myself who has dark spots in different places. For example, I got burned over the weekend on actually Sunday. Today is Wednesday on my cheekbones when I went to the beach. The salt water instantly scorched my face and I had some scabs here on my face. I decided that I was going to self-treat it. I already was freaking out because it was scabbing up by Monday. So I used our Radiant Glow Dark Spot Remover soap. I call it the Jamaica soap. And I also used our Radiant Glow Finishing Cream. Both go hand in hand to help treat that area, which if you guys can clearly tell, there is no scabs on my face. And there's a little bit of pigmentation, slight, but it's going away. And I've been using our Radiant Glow soap and finishing cream to help lighten this area of my nose. The line is there, but it is getting lighter. And the crease of my nose, honey, this was like dark purple. It's also getting lighter as well. I'm also using it to treat some rash left behind stains on my chest, the back of my neck, and my intimate areas, as it is a dark spot corrector. So you guys, if you want to know what it is that I'm doing, how I do it, what's my regimen, definitely stay tuned. Hey guys, so good morning. I start off with my facial regimen for my dark spots. I have a regimen for dark spots and my regular regimen. So with this regimen, I use a little bit of cool water just to kind of put on my face, you know, prepare the face. A little bit of dew won't hurt. And then I use my facial cleansing sponge and my Radiant Glow soap. Now keep in mind, the facial cleanser sponge is like an exfoliator. It just feels really, really good on the face. And I usually will put the soap exactly where I need it or in the areas where I would like it to go. For today, I decided to do my entire face. But you are able to just spot treat and put it on the dark areas. Or if you're trying to even out your skin tone slightly, you can definitely use the soap for that as well in conjunction with the finishing cream. For the soap and for you to basically get the best results, I always recommend that you do the soap and the finishing cream. I'm actually putting it on the back of my neck because that is also an area that has some pigmentation that I want to get rid of. And then I also put it on the rash that's on my chest. Now what I did was I like to do this right before I get in the shower. And then I go in the shower and rinse off that area and still take my shower as I normally would. Okay. You are able to do this as your regular wash, but I didn't. So I've now finished my shower. I'm out of the shower and it's now time to apply the finishing cream, which is part B of this process. I always use a Q-tip over my nose area because I only want to correct that line and that dark or that pigmentation that is in the crease of my nose. So that is the reason why I use a Q-tip, because I have humongous fingers, and if I try to use my fingers, it's just going to go everywhere. So Q-tip is the best bet. I do also put it under my eyes slightly. I don't have really bad pigmentation under the eyes like the dark circles. And just a word to the wise, dark circles come from blood vessels. It's not actual melanin. So be very careful about your under eye area. And then I use my finger and apply it to my chest where I have the left behind rash, whatever color that I hate, and also the burns from the stove because I like to cook. And then I also put it on the back of my neck. And that, honestly, guys, everybody's body is going to be different. You are only going to place it in the areas that you need it. Okay, these are areas for myself, but wherever it's needed for you is where you put it. And now I'm putting it down in my intimate area, which is in between my thighs where it's nice and dark. That sounds crazy. And also on my bikini line, which is a part of the intimate areas. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to thumbs up. Following this, I always put on my day-night moisturizer. to allow me to go outside and to keep my skin nice and radiant and hydrated. So I definitely recommend get the combo.